We're going to talk a little bit about cleaning the cups prior to getting started. So last week, honestly, when I got home, quite a few of them weren't the way that as massage therapists we would want our professional tools to be. So we thought we would review that this morning. So today what we'll ask you to do is to take one of the buckets and put 4 or 5 inches of water and a squirt of Dawn dishwashing liquid in the bucket, and to have this at your station while you are practicing. As you complete using a cup and you're sure you're done with it, just plop it right in the bucket to soak. I'm not a paid announcer, but Dawn is honestly the best for getting off any oils or massage products. It just is. You've all seen the commercials with the little ducks that they use Dawn to clean them. Well, it works for cups too. So you're going to soak your cups. That way they'll soak for at least 5 minutes to a half an hour. Again, starting to break down that oil. At home, this is what I use, and I have this brush. I bought it at Target. It's just in the kitchen section. It's very soft, so when I use it at home, obviously it can get into every single corner and I can really scrub the cup. In lieu of not only having one of these, and obviously more than one of us here, another alternative is just to basically wad up some paper towels, use the soapy water and really scrub them. Then obviously you're going to rinse in hot or cold water. Sometimes cold water actually breaks soap down a little bit better. When you're done cleaning your cup, it should feel squeaky clean, okay? You should not feel any product at all. That way you'll know it's clean. So after you scrub it, rinse it, shake it off. If you want to dry it, obviously you're going to use more clean paper towels to do that. And then you will wipe it with the disinfecting wipes. Let that sit for 10 minutes and that will disinfect your cups. Okay? So what questions do you have for me? Yes, Jordan?
Can we wipe them with the disinfecting wipes while they're still a little wet from being washed, or do they need to be dry before we can disinfect?
I think it's probably fine if there's a few drops of water in them. Just shake them off after you rinse them. I think that's fine. So what other questions are there? Okay, well then that's what we'll do today. Thank you.